What's up guys, Joe with Elevated Rides. Today we're back in the garage. We're replacing the factory Rubicon rails we have on here with the Mopar HD Performance rails, which I've been wanting to do for so long. Just because they're a wider rail, add more protection and a step all in one. So it's a great rail to have on your Jeep. So let's get started. All right guys, so it's only a couple tools to get the rails off and back on. It's gonna be a 10 millimeter, that's for the bolts on the pinch seam, and a 13 millimeter for the 3 bolts that hold it under the body. So first we're just gonna have to take the original Rubicon rails off.
All on the line, only going up, ain't no room for the climb. Meet me at the top, or you won't ever see me. I'm making dreams come true like a genie. I'm making moves soon, you gon' have to king me. Checkmate, crown, you gon' have to bring me. Ain't no other way. Up next.
So now that everything's unbolted, we can slide these off. Just pull straight back. It should come out. Just be very careful so you don't hit the Jeep. Alright guys, now we got the new rail. We're just gonna line up these bolts here. Push it in. And we're good. They're a little heavy. You may want somebody to help you out. But you should be able to do it by yourself. Let's get a nut secured on the back, that way it's safe and doesn't fall off. And if you guys have any questions, throw them in the comments. If you like what we're doing, hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, we just installed the Mopar HD Performance rails. They look great, the install was easy, you couldn't ask for much more than that. I'm loving the way they look. My family's probably gonna love them even more than me just because they can get into the Jeep a little easier now. You guys know what to do. Throw the comments below, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.
Come back, can't ignore it, promise you can never sun that. I pray for it, get ready for the comeback. Yeah, I think it's time.